on the basis of occurrence. Acid are of two types. Okay? Natural acids and mineral acids. In students, natural acids are also called organic acids. And mineral acids are also called as inorganic acids. In students, as the name indicates, that natural acids, it means they are natural, or we can say that these are those acids which are obtained from the plants or animals, or we can say natural resources. Okay, these are the acids which are present in plants or animals, and they are also called as organic acids. And students, mineral acids are those acids which are obtained from the plant, from the minerals present on the earth crust, and they are also called as inorganic acid. For example, students, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, H2CO3, carbonic acids. Okay, so these are the some examples of mineral acids. And students, lactic acid, acetic acid are the examples of natural acids. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, I am going to tell you some natural acids and their sources. Okay. Name of acid and its source. For example, lactic acid. Students, lactic acid is present in curd or sour milk. Similarly, acetic acid. It is present in vinegar. Oxalic acid. It is present in tomatoes. And the next one is tartaric acid. It is present in tamarind. Or we can say imli. Okay, students? Similarly, the next one is malic acid. In apple. And proteins. Amino acid. Amino acids are in proteins. Methanoic acid. Or it is also called as formic acid. In ant sting, ant or and needle sting. Okay students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Now students, all the organic acids are weak acids and mineral acids are strong acids. Now what do you mean by strong acids and weak acids? Strong acids are those acids which completely ionize to give hydrogen ions. Complete dissociation is there. And all the mineral acids except carbonic acid and phosphoric acid all are strong acids. And students, all the organic acids, they are weak acids. Okay? For example, acetic acid, malic acid, amino acids, they are weak acids. They do not completely ionize to give hydrogen ions. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you what are strong acids and weak acids. Now students, now let's move to the next part, that is the bases. As I told you, bases are bitter in taste like bitter gourd and they turns red litmus to blue. And students, according to Arrhenius, bases are those chemical substances which give hydroxyl ions in the solution. As in case of acids, hydrogen ions are produced, but in case of bases, they gives hydroxyl ions. For example, NaOH. In presence of water, it dissociates to give sodium ions and hydroxyl ions in aqueous solution. Okay students, so bases are those chemical substances which give hydroxyl ions in the solution. And similarly students, bases are also strong bases and weak. Okay, there are two types, strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases completely ionize to give hydroxyl ions, but weak acids do not completely ionize. Okay? Okay students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you students.